If you think about really IGS from a big picture standpoint, it's the value of collaboration, and beef breeds historically haven't always worked together so well or so much, but IGS kind of broke the mold on that, and being able to combine these data sets, more analytical power, better EPD predictions to use for all the breeds involved, IGS really facilitates that in an unprecedented way.
Come together, have put together just this massive collaborative effort with approaching 20 million head of cattle to provide the most scientifically credible, the most cost-effective, the quickest multi-breed, directly comparable genetic evaluation on the planet.
So now, instead of benefiting from only data, for instance, collected by Simmental breeders, those same Simmental breeders now benefit from data collected by Red Angus breeders, or from Limousin breeders, or Gelbvieh breeders, and the list goes on.
When you've got this many cattle in the evaluation, now with single-step genomics, and the money the seed stock producer spends on testing cattle for the 17, 18 traits we track, what you get is crossbreed cattle evaluations that the commercial cattleman can use when he's looking at EPD traits now. They're on an equal basis on all these various breeds. So in the race to make the better kind of cattle, the science we're using today, I think it's on the forefront and getting really exciting.
The line is really not very big between profit and loss. And so if we can help our producers continue to be in the profit category rather than the loss category with the extra strength of the data, that's really most important to us at both the seed stock level and the commercial level.
It's important to use all the tools available from IGS, both feeder profit calculator as well as the EPDs that are coming out of the evaluation to make those decisions both efficiently and effectively.
The benefit for our commercial bull buying customers is that they can identify genetic strengths, management strengths in their programs, along with weaknesses and areas where they potentially need to make improvement. These cattle bring the power of heterosis and crossbreeding to the commercial cattlemen as far as increased performance in their cow herds, increased growth and productivity in their calf crop.
Being a part of IGS and the multi-breed evaluation, our breeders at the American Gelbvieh Association have access to industry-leading genetic selection tools that they can use to progress not only our breed, but continue to deliver value to the commercial customer and ensure that that commercial customer is going to be profitable for years to come.
The collaboration that we have with IGS will do two things. Not only will it help their members sell seed stock bulls and replacement heifers, but it will also help their customers, commercial producers, make an informed decision in their operations. And those two things together will contribute to accelerating genetic improvements. It's going to have a significant, important, and long-term beneficial impact on the beef industry.
So we've got animal breeding and genomic scientists at a number of the breed associations now that all work towards a common good. And that power of getting everybody pulling the wagon together allows the IGS team and the leading scientists in the world working in beef cattle genetics to accelerate the process of genetic improvement.
The beauty of IGS is it makes commercial cattlemen and cattlewomen more powerful when they're making decisions, to get past all of the clutter and the minutia math, to make smarter, wiser, more profit-focused decisions.
One, it has a cutting-edge technology in the way that it can evaluate the data that all the breeds submit. Number two, it is a very large database which gives it unprecedented analytical power. And then lastly, it does have a constant flow of data on new animals, younger animals, that keeps it current, keeps it relevant. And so really on all of those fronts, what we see with IGS is that it is the place to be, and it can't be duplicated. We're a lot stronger working together than we are individually. We're getting a lot better genetic predictions by doing what we're doing, working together. And so that's really the power of IGS.
It's bigger than even just the performance data thing. It's the first time that you've seen collaboration between a large number of breed associations or breed-oriented organizations or even industry organizations that are working for a common goal.
And I think that the group's entire goal is really to benefit the beef industry, and that's why IGS is going to continue to grow.
I've never met a cow-calf producer that didn't want to leave that cow herd to his kids in better shape than he got it from his father 30 years prior. And as long as we all understand that our mission is to help that guy be successful and make sure that when he hands the operation off to his kids, it's in better shape than it was when he got it, then that's good for everybody. And these tools help us to help producers achieve those objectives.